So it's a Monday, and today is gonna be. Sorry, guys. It's good again. So it's a Monday, and yeah, I'm here at home right now. I'm trying to work out things. I'm trying to clean the house because there's gonna be an inspection coming. Also, at the same time, just had lunch, and we're having it here. Lunch just here, and yeah, nothing's up today. Just need to clean the house, and yeah, tomorrow's gonna be the Cup Day, Melbourne Cup. Haven't watched one. I haven't been into one for ages. I've been here in Australia for 5 years, and I haven't been to one. Um, it's interesting. I wanna go into one, but the thing is, I don't like the stress of getting ready and getting all this stuff and everything else. But yeah, I'm just writing. I'm just talking here. Yeah. So I'm gonna edit anytime soon. As soon as I finish watching my movies, and
We're here if you need us.
I'm even watching The Flash now. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it quiet. So yeah, I wanna upload more videos and more things in the vlog. And the thing is, I'm confused what to update, what to upload. Also, I'm trying to get good quality wide lens for this because I've been using this one. Where is yeah? I've been using the 10 to 18 from the Canon crop lens, but it's quite heavy. It's quite heavy. Even modified this one for the for the jerkiness. Even modified this lens for the 1DX. I just shaved the back part of it, as you can see, and yeah. So I'm gonna pair that one usually with this adapter. It's kind of stuffy doing it one hand. This is the adapter, the EFM. So what you do is just there you go. You just match them up, and there you got a long lens for your EFM camera, which is big for it. But yeah, I also have a cage for the camera, just in case if I'm traveling, it's well protected. I like it, but the thing is, yeah, I want to try to have a lighter setup, which is that one. I was contemplating I'm getting the M5 also, because the thing is, it has a lot of buttons, but the flip screen is a win, is what they say. Also, I was planning to stay with Sony because the Sony has good low light and good colors. But come to think of it, I really prefer the Canons. So yeah, I stuck with a A6500, which is a camera I really love. But a flip screen, like it's really a winner for the flip screen. So I'm staying with Canon. But I really want the Sony's low light and also the high dynamic range of that camera. That's really good. If I were to choose, I go Canon, but anyway, I want to have a Sony. Really good in low light, and I love shooting in low light. Anyway, I'm gonna finish watching the movie now, and then just a series, and then I'll be cleaning the house, and I'll update you on what's up. Yeah. Also, I need to upload more videos now because I haven't been uploading the last holidays. I was taking a break, so I didn't upload anything at all. Yesterday and the other day, I was shooting weddings and pre-wedding. Oh, yesterday I was shooting a pre-wedding. I didn't do a lot of vlogs, but I might as well post some photos. But let's go. Got to get work done today. Yeah. Okay, well, Laura came from work early, so now I have access to a car. I'm heading to Bunnings to get some stuffs because I'm gonna maybe start cleaning the house now. And I think my camera's struggling with it. Oh, there you go. Lighting. But yeah, I'm heading out now, and I have this big microphone in front of me. I think it's not a good it's not a good idea to vlog while driving. There's this big camera in front of me with a big microphone. No, it's a small camera with a big microphone in front of me. But yeah, let's go. The street's kind of quiet now. I think it could be the Melbourne Cup thing, or no, it's not yet the holidays. Like, yeah, it's so quiet today. It's a work day. Okay, here at Bunnings right now. And I'm just gonna leave my camera because I don't want to be losing it around there while trying to find some stuff. Sorry about that, guys. You're gonna be staying here. Yep. Okay, I'm back at home now, and I'm just unloading the stuff. It's quite stressful when you have to unload the stuff here, and you don't parking lots way back there. It's not my own parking lot. Like this place is a shared unit place, so yeah. Okay, I can't carry this with the camera, so I'm gonna put the camera inside. Yeah. So there you go. That's all the rubbish that I have to organize. There. Everything's a mess. Fuck. Okay, it's Sunday right now, and just slept late because I did the laundry last night, and yeah, cleaned the whole room. It's been ages since I've been trying to clean the whole room. I've organized all my shits up here, and ironing clothes. So there's a lot of space. There used to be a lot of stuff here, but I've cleared it up. Also, I'm doing the ironing, so like, yeah, while I'm cooking, good stuff here. Yeah. And yeah, it's already 12 o'clock, and I've overslept because I slept late last night. But yeah, I'm gonna continue doing what I'm doing. What I'm doing. I'm gonna continue doing what I was doing. Yeah, with the eggs, like. Okay, I need to start cooking again. So yeah. Quick tour of the house. That's the first water heater that we have. Like, yeah, that's the first ref that we purchased. Ooh, yeah. Nothing extraordinary about it, but it was the first thing we bought. That's it. I need to clean all those. Yeah, I need to. Okay, it's a laid-back Melbourne Cup day today. Didn't go watch the Melbourne Cup. It was heavy rain also, so I just did the ironing and also folding the clothes. And yesterday I just tried to organize that because that part there is really a mess. And yeah, right now you can hear the noise because I'm watching YouTube. Also, I'm watching Philip Franco. There. Well, I need to clean up the room some more, but it's a bit tired now, so I'm just taking a break. I just ate avocado and yeah, gotta get my coffee. Here it is. Gotta show the sign. So here's the coffee. I placed some coffee ice cream, coffee crumble ice cream on it, so like it's gonna be cool. Okay, we're too lazy to cook and do anything else, so we ordered a Philly cheesesteak from Domino's. It's big. Got some, what else? Cheesy garlic bread or garlic cheesy bread. I don't know. What's this? Chicken meatballs. We have a long thingy here and we have balls there. Yeah, I'm gonna eat now. Yeah, see ya. Good afternoon, everyone, and oh, I look good in this lighting. I don't know if I'm gonna color grade it, if it's gonna look good. I need to close the shit in my. Okay, the light is dimming, and in front of my computer with this awesome lighting, so I'm trying to talk now. I just want to talk anything nonsense because I just want to make use of this lighting that I have in front of me. And yeah, you agree with me that the lighting is good. Look at that. It's actually I can't see. Okay, it's actually the computer that's shining a light half to my face, and it's so soft. It looks good in the screen. I'm even looking at the screen instead of looking at the camera right now. But yeah, I have nothing to say. I just want to post this. By the way, it's really cold. It's not really cold. It's cold. I'm out of words. I'm just gonna upload it. I don't care. Hi guys, how you going? I'm doing great. Yeah, that's it.